Just a ripper of a barrel. Oh, that's deep, beautiful swing right in there from McCullough Jones.
What more could I ask for? I turned 21 on the way over on the barge, and it's amazing. All the Filipino people are the nicest people ever, and they love surfing, and it's so cool, and it's great what Billabong and the government have done here, and this is my best contest I've ever done. This is amazing.
These are the best waves I've ever had in the contest, and just to come here was a treat, and then to get the result I did, I'm over the moon really, and to have a heat with one of my best friends, Wade, is just, couldn't think of anything better really.